What's going on, everyone? This is Vince with vshred.com, and in today's video I have a 15-minute full body calorie burning workout for you. All right, like I said, today's video is gonna be a workout that you can get done in just 15 minutes. This is going to be a HIIT styled workout. If you don't know what HIIT is, it stands for high intensity interval training. We're basically going through these quick intervals of max intensity of a couple of different exercises followed by a short amount of rest. And we're gonna do that for basically 15 cycles, 5 different exercises, 3 times, and your workout's gonna be completely done. So this is gonna be super fast, but it's also gonna be super effective because of how HIIT works. You burn calories during the workout, but then you also use something called EPOC, excess post-oxygen consumption, which is where you burn calories even after your workout because your body has to replenish your oxygen stores that your muscle used during this workout. So it's a super effective way of burning fat. Also, if you're looking for 2 other quick ways at burning just overall body fat and losing weight or just getting in shape, I do have a free body type quiz that tells you the 3 most important things to do for getting in shape depending on what your body type is, depending on what your goal is. So if you want to check that out, you can. But like I said, this is going to be a quick workout. So if you say you don't have time to work out, you're just lying, because you can do this first thing when you wake up in the morning. You can do this last thing before you go to bed. You could even do this on break at work. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the first exercise that we're gonna be doing are explosive squats with calf raises at the end. So I'm gonna get a little timer started right here. I'm gonna hit start and we're gonna go. So we're gonna squat down, come up, calf raise. Come up, calf raise. We're gonna do this for 40 seconds. 15 more seconds. Three, 2, 1, and rest. All right, so that's gonna be the first interval. Now we're gonna rest for 20 seconds here, and we're gonna jump into the second exercise, which are gonna be speed skaters. So here what we're gonna do is we're basically gonna go over to one foot, jump across, land on the other foot, back foot behind us like we're ice skating, but really fast. So rest is almost up. Let's get going. Seconds left. And rest. Second exercise done. So now 20-second rest here. We're gonna jump into the third exercise, which are gonna be high knees. So another type of plyometric exercise here. Basically just getting your knees up as high as you can. 3, 2, 1, and let's go. So put your hands up. Control your breathing as well. And rest. All right, so 20 more seconds here. Catch your breath, slow your breathing down. 10 more seconds. We're gonna be going with alternating toe taps. So feet back and forth, just like that. And let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, 20 seconds rest. Control your breathing, slow it down. That's gonna help you catch your breath faster. Last exercise, we're getting down on the ground. We're doing bicycles here. So we got 5 seconds of rest left. Getting down, getting ready, and bicycles. And rest. All right, so standing back up, that's the first round of this. So 40 seconds on, 20 seconds off, all 5 exercises. That equates to 5 minutes for the first round. Now I'm gonna go ahead and finish up 2 more rounds to make it 3 total for 15 minutes. So I'll be right back. All right, so there you have it, 15-minute full body calorie burning workout. You don't need any kind of equipment, very basic exercises, but extremely effective because we're using that high intensity interval training method, which is amazing for burning as many calories as possible, more calories than you would burn doing a 45-minute jog on the treadmill, and that's boring and unsustainable long term. These are quick, short, effective workouts that you can change up all the time. I actually have a full high intensity interval training playlist if you want to check it out, just a bunch of different cardio workouts. But other than that, guys, if you like this video, make sure you're clicking that thumbs up button below. Let's try to get this video to 3,500 likes. Also, if you have any video recommendations, comment it down below, a video you want me to make for my next video. Other than that, guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one.